attached to our decision. Um, it would have, what I understand is that when he was summoned to the Senate last year in October, he had a lot of concerns about the safety and security of his family, who were then in Davao. So he was not at that time really ready to come out and tell everything that he knew. That's why when he decided to come out just the other day, those concerns have already been addressed. We were requested. Ang flag naman does not solicit cases. We don't go around asking to be the lawyers of clients. We adhere to the traditional view that it's only when our services are requested that we decide whether to take a case or not.
What made you take on his case?
The nature of the testimony that he would be giving, the issue involved, because for us the issue of extrajudicial killing is really something that is a grave issue as far as human rights are concerned. And we've been consistent throughout these years about fighting against any shortcuts to due process and to the law. Let's just say that we subjected the case to the same kind of evaluation that we gave to every other case we took. We vetted it. We wanted to be sure that the persons who came to us were really sincere and had personal knowledge of what they were talking about. It's important, I think, that when Arturo comes out and explains why, that we listen as closely as we can to what he says and make our own assessment of whether he really is someone who is credible or not. Personally, I have listened to him and I've heard his explanation, and I am satisfied with what he's told me. But it's very hard for me to speak for him, especially on something as personal as that. Palagay ko, mas maganda, hintayin na lang natin at pakinggan natin siya.